In this video, you'll learn about some of the tools groups use to make decisions. The first one is delegation. This involves assigning a decision to an individual, like the leader, another member, an expert, or a mediator. This option is best when 1. The decision is simple and straightforward. 2. The decision maker is extremely competent. 3. Unanimous acceptance is not important. And 4. The other members are not as knowledgeable. While delegation saves time and is useful for less important issues, it can leave some members feeling ignored and underutilized. The second tool is averaging individual inputs, like scores, rankings, or frequencies. The statistical basis of this option reduces error and bias. And because it doesn't require face-to-face interaction, it's especially useful in virtual settings. Voting is another popular option, as it requires the least amount of time and effort. Members simply indicate their decision by a show of hands or voice signal. Anonymous voting is even better. It reduces peer pressure and the probability of conflict. This method is usually effective when 1. We have limited time to make a decision. 2. We don't need a unanimous decision. Or 3. The decision creates conflict. Discussion to consensus means to discuss a topic until a clear choice emerges. It allows everyone to share their ideas and voice their concerns. Plus, it can be galvanizing for some people and enhance their commitment to the decision. Although unanimity is best, it increases the complexity and cost of the process. In addition, the discussion isn't always supportive of the group's goals. Group members may spend too much time discussing irrelevant topics and not enough time sharing new information. Plus, the discussion can increase conflict or lead to poor decisions if groupthink or group polarization come into play. The last option is brainstorming. It's useful for generating a large number of solutions, but not for making final decisions. While people generally enjoy this method, the quantity and quality of their ideas depends on many factors, including the facilitator's competence, the members' level of participation, and the structure of the task. Scholars recommend using a trained facilitator to guide the session and make sure members understand the rules, such as openly expressing ideas, postponing judgment of others' ideas, focusing on quantity, not quality, and using cross-cueing to spark creativity in others.